Hi sir, I'm creating a video here. If you see here, little bit design broken in auto tag list, but just that will be that is happening, like Shantu is working on a part, but except that I can show you everything. So I logged in with two credential. One is like uh, this one. I will be giving it to the in your chat so you can see it. One account is Shantu. Shantu is a project admin and he has created few projects. One of them are LeadView test project. And under this, there are two users, Shajal and Abhishek. Abhishek is the default chat operators. Now, if you see here, there is a tag setup. So there is auto tag URL. So I added this. Okay, another thing I forgot to say. So there is a chat setup, and in chat setup, I can see this code, and this code I have put to a project called Carvego. So this is the project Carvego. This is one project we have created. So for testing purpose, uh, I add this. This is the URL. So I add this one, the chat script. So you can see that this chat script here I have added into the footer section. So this list is getting populated. So this URL I given to your Skype, so you can check it by chatting from here. So this I'm opening from a different IP. So this is from my mobile. I'm opening it and I'm closing it to here. Now now I said you that there are two user I created. One is Abhishek, another is Sajal. So in a browser, I logged in as Abhishek, and Abhishek is the default chat operators. So in message section, from my site, I click hi. So message section, I see a hi here. I talked with Abhishek before also. So I see here, you can see right now my 5:33 p.m. So it's showing here that 7th August. So now I send it to hi. I receive here. I put like, how are you? Okay. So I got it here. I'm fine. Then I receive to here. So this way I can chat with a default chat operator. I can upload any file from here. So I uploaded image and I put a text and send it. It's come here. I can download it if I want. Now if I visit another page from Carvego website, let's say I visit to I just refresh here for website activity. Let's say I visit another page called Carvego. Okay, I just okay. I'm visiting another page. Uh, so split mode. I should see this person. 1 second. So yeah, I see it. This page I visited. I see the URL in split mode. If I click it, I should see this page I am visiting currently. Previously I was visiting this page from my another system. So I can see it in file section also. I can see what is there. If I want, I can download it. So this way I can chat it. Now if I give, if from here I give it to my any email address, so it should be going to my contact. I given an email address here, so now it should be on my contact. So if I go, you see this user become my contact. Now I can assign this contact to any, assign to a manager. So if I select another manager, here another user is only Shajul, so I can add this user to Shajul and I can save it. So next time if this user again chat, then he will be going to Shajul chat. So this section is fully completed in the chat part. Also I can see this user's timeline from here. Also I can see visitor timeline. Yeah, you can see all the visitor list and their timeline. This is the user I chatted with, his timeline name. He doesn't have any last name, so these are the his timeline. What is the tag he used, that is also been there. How this tag functionality is working, so imagine this is the manage tag section. So I have created all the tag and this is the auto tag URL. This URL, as I said in the beginning, this page little bit broken the design, so I can add multiple tag inside that URL. So let's say this URL have two tag and I can give their point, like tag name I can select, tag score, delay, scroll, how much scroll, enable, disable and remove score. Enable, disable, on the left panel there will not be a score. Remove score if I put, so this tag score should be removed if someone visit on that page. So giving you an examples, so currently if I see, like this user has node has a 7, Laravel 4 and PHP 5. So what I want, if someone visit this URL, so his tag should be removed. Which tag should be removed? PHP tag should be removed. So if I click here remove, or sorry, if I edit it and make it remove score and add, so now on time I just check, so his PHP tag will be removed if someone visit this URL. So if you noticed this user which I was chatting, his PHP tag is 5. Now if he visit the same URL, so his PHP tag should go. So from my other system I am trying to revisit it. I revisit that URL. Now if I refresh it, so PHP tag should be 0. You can see his PHP tag should go because remove tag. So this remove tag functionality is working. What more? Okay. We also completed visitor URL which I shown you. So this is the visitor dashboard. You can see all the visitors, what their timeline. You can add note against of that visitors. Add any contact manager you want, related contact if you want you can put it, or you can save it. So note will be saved. Yes, so that is the note. And so if I see in this milestone functionality, so this full section done. Field mapping you previously seen, you can test it. And another thing is important which I completed, like in below section, like contact Mars data that you already shown previous version, assignment, contact to assignment of the project, that also you shown, but I can show you this also. So this is the contact, and this contact, if you go here, you can add this contact to the email address, assign manager, add group, add company, add social. This full thing you can do to that contact. That functionality already been done. This section Abhay will discuss with you later on, not done. Filtration section has not been. Archive timeline has been done. Email address, full social, that I shown you already. Get direction in the map, that is also done. I can show you that too. So if I go here, this is the address, and if you add any address, so let's say you add any address, and you save it. So get direction, you can get direction from here. If you search here within any miles, kilometers, so if other contact related to that, you can see it. Then one more thing is there into the document, message and widgets, that also done. Lead view. So up to this section is fully completed, and I shown you all those things. After that, after seeing this, we can have another call to show you the functionality.